In Kodika, there are usually two ways of getting something done: the simple and the advanced one. The advanced is preferable in the case that you need to do more complicated things. Let's implement the login using the advanced way of starting an API request. We are going to use the text fields again to get the values from the login screen. This time, however, we'll use the code editor. To do so, we need to enable the visible in code property for both text fields, using the style inspector. From here, we can also change the display name of the elements, so we can distinguish them in the code. Select code, and create a new function named login button pressed. Inside, we are going to drag the block to call an API request. So, go to Blocks, API, and select the Execute API Request block. Select the login user request from the dropdown. Then, we need to set the parameters. For email and password, we will need to get the text from the text fields. Go to Blocks, Design, and Text field. Here are all the available actions that we can execute on a text field. Let's drag the Get Text blocks. There is also a recommended blocks category where you can easily find the most popular blocks. Finally, we will use the static text block in true block for the key and return secure token parameters. We also need to define the text field from which we will get the text each time. For this, we go to Blocks, Visible in Code, and drag the email and password text fields in the respective positions. After we've closed and saved the function, Kodika informs us that there is an error in the Protocols section. If we select the Protocols tab, we will see that the error is in the API login user. Let's proceed and add all the required functions. Now, let's go and implement these functions. Open the User Logged In Successfully function, and just drag a Perform Screen Navigation block inside, similarly with the implementation of the Register button. Press back to save and close.